When it comes to clamping, Irwin quick grips really are best in class. Really well thought out. So what you've got here, you've got a 12-inch capacity clamp. Just pull the lever there, you've got instant slide, and you've got fine adjustment on the trigger there. Slide it up, you've got a rotating on a cam pad there, which is a really useful feature if you're clamping anything that's slightly askew or uneven. This moderates and adapts to give you a nice, strong, firm clamp. If you don't want that, put it up, slide this across, and it doesn't move anymore. It's locked in place. These clamp up to 135 kilograms of force, so they're really, really strong. And the nice thing about these clamps is clever stuff in here. It's an anti-burst mechanism. Some clamps, when you release them, they explode. Not the quick grip, simple as that. How's that? Another nice feature on these, as well as clamping, undo the end here, slide it off, put it on the other end. You've got not going to lose that because it's a thumb turn on a spring. Self-locating, that's there nice and firm. And what you've got, instead of a clamper, you've got a spreader. So it's ideal for two jobs. If you need to pry something apart to re-glue it, and we're going to see that in a second, or clamping for gluing applications. Holding workpieces when you're working, you need one hand free. These are the things to use. This one has got a 12-inch capacity, which is 30 centimetres, and let's see an application for it. We need to re-glue the bottom, we need to split the top out, so gently, that's coming out. We can put that back, and then we're going to re-glue the bottom and clamp it up. So there's the spreading application, nice and controlled. So there we go, we're all glued back in there. Just final squeeze to hold it in, hold it securely while the glue goes off. 12-inch capacity, 30 centimetres, most popular size. That'll be done and set overnight, then we can take it off. Most tradesmen will have several of these on the van because they're so useful. It's such a useful tool to have in your toolkit. The Irwin quick grip clamp with the soft rubber non-marking pads. Super product from Irwin.